I congratulate Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her third term. I express hope and expectation that governance will be according to Constitution and rule of law. India is a great democracy where power emanates from process of law. We are at the moment in a very difficult crisis. I'm getting reports from within and outside the country. People are worried. I've been in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister. She has taken steps when I indicated to her. Our first priority is we must bring end to this senseless violence, horrendous violence that has affected society at large. Post-poll violence, if it is retributive, is antithetical to democracy. I have every hope that the Chief Minister, on urgent basis, will take all steps to restore rule of law and ensure that those who have been hurt, particularly children and women, relief is accorded on a priority basis. I would also expect from the new government a new commitment, a new approach of cooperative federalism. It's a country where we survive only by adherence to constitutional prescriptions. I have every hope the Chief Minister, my younger sister, would rise to the occasion. It is not usual for a person to get a third term in a row, and I'm sure she would do it. There are occasions when a state faces a crisis. We have to rise above partisan interests. We have to reach a level where governance reaches to expectations as per our preamble. My best wishes, ma'am, to you, to your entire team, and I'm sure you will script a new governance pattern where there will be cooperation from one and all, and the state will prosper and go ahead. Thank you so much. My greetings to all of you on this occasion.
আমি আজকে এক্ষুনি শপথ নিলাম। এর আগে আপনারা জানেন ইলেকশন কমিশনের আন্ডারে 3 মাস এই গভর্নমেন্টের পুলিশরা সবাই কাজ করেছে। সুতরাং কিছু কিছু স্পোরাডিক ইনসিডেন্ট হয়েছে এবং বিশেষ করে কোনো পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি যেখানে জিতেছে সেখানে অত্যাচার বেশি করছে। সেখানে আমরা দেখে নেব যাতে কোনো রকম কেউ যাতে এখান থেকে রেহাই না পায়, এবং আজকেই গিয়ে আমি নতুন সেটআপ তৈরি করব। তার কারণ 3 মাস এই সেটআপটা আমার ছিল না, সুতরাং অনেক ইনএফিসিয়েন্সি ছিল। সুতরাং বাদবাকিটা আমি অ্যাপিল করব কেউ যেন কারো প্রতি প্রতিহিংসা পরায়ণ আচরণ না করে। ঠিক আছে? থ্যাংক ইউ।
West Bengal Chief Minister taking the oath again. Mamata Banerjee is in fact has been chosen for the third time now. She's just been administered the oath of office. BJP has boycotted this oath ceremony in view of the worsening law and order situation in the state of Bengal, is what the BJP has said. Mamata Banerjee has spoken about the fact that she intends to focus on control of the pandemic, and that's what is going to be her top priority. This was a short ceremony at the Raj Bhavan, and short of pomp obviously because of the pandemic. Mamata Banerjee taking oath as the Chief Minister of Bengal. Well, there has been a lot of back and forth and also allegations and counter allegations as far as the law and order situation in Bengal is concerned. The governor also saying that this is an opportunity that the Chief Minister has now to bring things under control as far as the law and order is concerned. Mamata Banerjee has not taken too kindly to the kind of comments that have come in from the governor and also from the BJP in the last few days. They do exchange, we did see them exchange charges over the violence that has taken place in Bengal. Election Commission is responsible for law and order, is what the Chief Minister of Bengal said. I've just taken oath, so do not blame me. The Election Commission was responsible for the law and order situation in the state of Bengal. She's taken oath as the Chief Minister for the third time now. The BJP has made this an issue, has in fact approached Supreme Court as well, given the fact that BJP's workers have been attacked, they say, by the TMC in the last few days. The governor also had in fact very publicly said that the Prime Minister too had expressed concerns about the worsening law and order situation in the state of Bengal. This was something that the governor had communicated yesterday. Mamata Banerjee, of course, in the oath, after the oath-taking ceremony, has spoken about how COVID control is going to be her top priority. Now she is expected to head directly to Nabana, where she is going to be chairing a meeting to deliberate on COVID control measures. This was a short ceremony at Raj Bhavan, shorn of pomp because of the pandemic. Paulmi Saha is in Kolkata getting us more details. She's at the Raj Bhavan. For more on that, even at the oath-taking ceremony, Paulmi, we see that Mamata Banerjee is in fact taking these allegations and those head-on who have been saying that she's responsible for the worsening law and order situation in Bengal.
That's right. She, of course, says that, I have just taken oath and earlier, for a very long time, for the past couple of months, the entire machinery and the charge of law and order was in the hands of the Election Commission. But now I would appeal to the people to maintain peace and calm. My first priority, of course, is COVID. So I will be chairing a meeting on COVID management in a short while from now. I will be, of course, addressing a press conference as well, is what she says. But she has appealed to everyone to not take law and order into their hands and in fact should fight off any sort of attempts to vitiate the atmosphere. She said that she will deal with any incidents of violence as firmly as she possibly can, and strict and stringent action will be taken against those who are vitiating the atmosphere or who are perceived to be behind these incidents of violence and looting and arson and ransacking and even political killings that are coming to light from across the length and breadth of the state. Remember that the Bharatiya Janata Party has been making some very serious allegations and very grave charges against the Trinamool Congress. The TMC, of course, has also said that some of its own workers have died in political clashes at the hands of the BJP, allegedly. The left also has blamed the Trinamool Congress for the alleged culture of political violence. So a huge challenge before the Chief Minister of West Bengal. So while she has to fight COVID-19 and ensure that the pandemic doesn't bring the state down to its knees, given that we held elections and the state held elections in the middle of the pandemic itself, and the numbers are spiraling and they're quite rapidly spiraling at that, she also has to maintain law and order on the ground, because those incidents of violence which have been reported since the results were announced on Sunday have been quite disturbing and unfortunate. Sneha.
All right, Paulmi, thanks for getting us those details.